Hello children, good morning. Our lesson name is clothes we wear. In the different types of cloth. Different types of clothes. So in the previous class, I taught about this lesson. Yes children, did you understand? Did you read this lesson? So today I am going to give you reading practice. Okay children, are you ready? So listen carefully the pronunciation of words and practice. Okay children, let's start. Clothes we wear. C-L-O-T-H-E-S. Clothes. W-E-V-W-E-A-R. Wear. Clothes we wear. D-I-F-F-E-R-E-N-T. Different. T-Y-P-E-S. Types. O-F of C-L-O-T-H-E-S. Clothes. Different types of clothes. W-E-V-W-E-A-R. Wear. C-L-O-T-H-E-S. Clothes. T-O-2 C-O-V-E-R. Cover. O-U-R. Our. B-O-D-I-E-S. Bodies. We wear clothes to cover our bodies. C-L-O-T-H-E-S. Clothes. P-R-O-T-E-C-T. Protect. U-S as F-R-O-M. From. H-E-A-T. Heat. C-O-L-D. Cold. A-N-D and R-A-I-N. Rain. Clothes protect us from heat, cold and rain. T-H-E-Y. They. M-A-K-E. Make. O-U-R. Our. B-O-D-Y. Body. A-P-P-E-A-R. Appear. B-E-A-U-T-I-F-U-L. Beautiful. They make our body appear beautiful. C-L-O-T-H-E-S. Clothes. A-R-E-R. D-I-F-F-E-R-E-N-T. Different. K-I-N-D-S. Kinds. Clothes are different kinds. T-H-I-S. This. B-O-Y. Boy. I-S is W-E-A-R-I-N-G. Wearing. S-H-O-R-T-S. Shorts. This boy is wearing shorts. T-H-I-S. This. G-I-R-L. Girl. I-S is W-E-A-R-I-N-G. Wearing a F-R-O-C-K. Frock. This girl is wearing a frock. T-H-I-S. This. G-I-R-L. Girl. H-A-S. Has. P-U-T. Put. O-N. On. A. S-H-I-R-T. Shirt. A-N-D and S-H-O-R-T-S. Shorts. This girl has put on a shirt and shorts. Once again I am reading. Listen carefully. We wear clothes to cover our bodies. Clothes protect us from heat, cold and rain. They make our body appear beautiful. Clothes are different kinds. This boy is wearing shorts. This girl is wearing a frock. This girl has put on a shirt and shorts. T-H-I-S. This. B-O-Y. Boy. I-S is W-E-A-R-I-N-G. Wearing a K-U-R-T-H-A. Kurta. A-N-D and P-Y-J-A-M-A. Pajama. This boy is wearing a kurta and pajama. T-H-I-S. This. Y-O-U-N-G. Young. M-A-N. Man. H-A-S. Has. P-U-T. Put. O-N. On. T-R-O-U-S-E-R-S. Trousers. S-H-I-R-T. Shirt. C-O-A-T. Coat. T-I-E. Tie. A-N-D and S-H-O-E-S. Shoes. This young man has put on trousers, shirt, coat, tie and shoes. T-H-I-S. This. O-L-D. Old. M-A-N. Man. I-S is wearing, wearing. A dhoti dhoti, and and loose, loose, shirt, shirt. This old man is wearing a dhoti and loose shirt. This boy is wearing a kurta and paisama. This young man has put on trousers, shirt, coat, tie and shoes. This old man is wearing a dhoti and loose shirt. WEV, WEAR, CLOTHES, clothes, ACCORDING, according, TO2, SEASONS, seasons. We wear clothes according to seasons. WEV, WEAR, COTTON, cotton, CLOTHES, clothes, IN, SUMMER, summer. We wear cotton clothes in summer. COTTON, cotton, CLOTHES, clothes, KEEP, keep, OUR, our, BODY, body, COOL, cool. Cotton clothes keep our body cool. IN, WINTER, winter, WEV, WEAR, WOOLLEN, woolen, CLOTHES, clothes. In winter, we wear woolen clothes. SWEATER, sweaters. GLOVES, gloves. MUFFLERS, mufflers. MONKEY, monkey. CAPS, caps, monkey caps. JACKETS, jackets. WHICH, which. WEV, WEAR, IN, WINTER, winter. ARER, MAD, made. UP, up. OF, off. WOOL, wool. Sweaters, gloves, mufflers, monkey caps, jackets, which we wear in winter, are made up of wool. THESE, these. CLOTHES, clothes. PROTECT, protect. USS, FROM, from. COLD, cold. WIND, wind. These clothes protect us from cold wind. In winter, we wear woolen clothes. Sweaters, gloves, mufflers, monkey caps, jackets, which we wear in winter, are made up of wool. These clothes protect us from cold wind. WEV, WEAR, RAINCOAT, raincoat. IN, RAINY, rainy. SEASON, season. We wear a raincoat in rainy season. THE, the. RAIN, rain. COAT, coat. IS is. MAD, made. UP, up. OF, off. WATER, water. PROOF, proof, waterproof. CLOTH, cloth. The raincoat is made up of waterproof cloth. Listen carefully once again. We wear clothes according to seasons. We wear cotton clothes in summer. Cotton clothes keep our body cool. In winter, we wear woolen clothes. Sweaters, gloves, mufflers, monkey caps, jackets, which we wear in winter, are made up of wool. These clothes protect us from cold wind. We wear a raincoat in rainy season. The raincoat is made up of waterproof cloth. Police, police, men, policemen, nurses, nurses, soldieres, soldiers, and gurkhas, gurkhas, wear, special, special, clothes, clothes, and work, work. Policemen, nurses, soldiers, and gurkhas wear special clothes and go to work. IT it, IS is, CALLED called, THEIR they, UNIFORM uniform. It is called their uniform. WEV, SHOULD should, WASH wash, CLOTHES clothes. We should wash clothes. CLOTHES clothes. BECOME become. SOILED soiled. DUE due. TO2 DIRT dirt. OUTSIDE outside. Clothes become soiled due to dirt outside. So, S for so, WEV, MUST must, WASH wash, THEM them, and GET get, THEM them, PRESSED pressed. So, we must wash them and get them pressed. WEV, SHOULD should, WEAR wear, CLEAN clean, and PRESSED pressed, CLOTHES clothes, EVERY DAY every day. We should wear clean and pressed clothes every day. Listen carefully. We wear a raincoat in rainy season. The raincoat is made up of waterproof cloth. Policemen, nurses, soldiers, and gurkhas wear special clothes and go to work. It is called their uniform. We should wash clothes. Clothes become soiled due to dirt outside. So we must wash them and get them pressed. We should wear clean and pressed clothes every day. Did you listen to it? So read it thoroughly. Okay. Learn the hard words. Okay, children.